Hi, Rand Brenner, CEO of Licensing Consulting Group here, and I'm joined by Greg Drenick with Ultimate Airflow, and we are working on his new innovative Ultimate Airflow moisture reducing system for non-living spaces, which is now available for licensing and is tested and market ready and being installed as we speak. So today we're going to share with you the entire system from start to finish, what it is, how it works, how easy it is to install, and how effective it is. And you're going to get to look inside. So with that, Greg, let's just summarize. You captured yourself doing the whole system, because one of the things that is important on this, for especially folks watching this, whether you're in residential, insulation, HVAC, construction, commercial, is, what the heck is this? How does it work? Why is it beneficial? And why should I give some serious consideration, become a certified or licensed installer or user or licensee of the system? So, Greg, why don't you just give us a quick summary of what you got in line for us?
Well, today we're lucky enough to have a new install. And again, it's a new home, it's a new build. We're going to take you through and show you where we're going to attach the actual, and we've got a blueprint because it's a new build, where we're going to install the two fans. We have an intake fan and an exhaust fan. So we're going to show you on the outside of it through the blueprint and a video. And then we're going to take you inside and we're going to show you where it's attached and the ductwork on the intake side, where we've channeled it. And on this job, because it's so big, we've actually installed a couple of booster fans because there's a separate wing. So we explain that as well, that we have some booster fans to, again, help alleviate some of those dead zones that'll be on a wing in an L-shaped home. So, but yeah, we've got that all set up, and I'd like to take you guys on the inside and show you how it's set up.
Great. Okay, let's go.
Hi, Greg Drenick with Ultimate Airflow. We're at a project on the east side of Cleveland in Ohio, and we're doing an install of the Ultimate Airflow in the attic of a home. If you look, we've got two dormers that we're going to install our fans into up at the top of the roof. So come on in, let's show you the job. Okay, now we're looking at the blueprints for this project because it's a new build. We're going to be installing the fans, intake fan on this dormer, exhaust fan on this dormer. We're going to have some ductwork that I'm going to show you up in the attic that is going to help circulate the air for this project. This is 15,000 cubic feet of airspace up here, so it's an awful big space. It's going to be a great installation. Come on up, I'll show you. Okay, we're up in the attic now for the install. This attic is 15,000 cubic feet. It's actually about 35 feet high to the peak, and we're going to take you up to the platform now where we're installing the fans. Okay, now we're inside the attic. We've climbed up onto the platform that we've erected to install the fans, and if you look down, we are about 35 feet up. Okay, here on this side here, we've installed this intake fan up to that dormer that I showed you on the blueprint. We've secured it with screws to these wood panels that we cut. We built a platform to hold the actual extension of the intake, and also the silencer, and then the ductwork. Okay, this is a shot of the intake side, and you can see the exhaust side on the other side. There's no ductwork with that, but here's our ductwork that we've run all the way down. This is about 50 feet, this one, the other one's about 30, all the way to the other side. By running the ductwork, we've actually run it to the opposite side, and we went down about another 10 feet, and we're pushing the air back towards this way, coming this way, and we've got this one dumping the air down and pushing it this way towards our booster fan, which I'm going to show you. Okay, so as we're pushing the air from this right side to the left side in this big cavity, we've got a booster fan set up right over there, which I'm going to show you now to help push the air to the left. And I have another booster way down on that other wing to push the air back towards this exhaust fan, which is sucking the air out. Let's go show you. Now we're at the opposite end of the intake. We're down at the far wing. Again, it's a very big home. We've installed a plug with a Wi-Fi adapter that's compatible with both Wi-Fis. We have the booster fan right here, which is kicking out about 400 or 500 CFM. We also have one down there on the back of the wing, which is pushing air to this one, and this is pushing it to the exhaust. Okay, here we are. We're back near the top platform where the exhaust is. The booster fans are pushing the air down here, and it's sending it up to our exhaust, which we installed in that dormer. It's a very easy install. A couple screws and a piece of wood. Thank you. We'll see you down on the deck. Okay, thanks for joining me on this install of the Ultimate Airflow ventilation system. You just go to the information below if you guys want to capitalize on this opportunity. This is a patented system, and you can make 70% plus gross margins on these projects. Literally $800 to $1,500 in supplies, 8 to 10 man hours to install. You do the rest of the math. 70 to 80% margins. Like to have you guys aboard, get you as a certified contractor, and we'll talk to you soon. Go to the information below. Thanks. Have a great day. Okay, now that we're done with the installation, I just wanted to recap what we've accomplished. What we've done is we've brought in a tremendous amount of air into the attic. We've circulated it through our ductwork. We've used some boosters to move it back from the far side of the house back up to the exhaust. And by doing this, we're going to lower the temperature by about 40 or 50 degrees during the hot months. We're going to move air in that attic, throughout the attic, so that it's not stagnating. And that's going to help reduce the opportunity for mold to grow. So again, thank you, appreciate it.
We're offering it for license, whether you want to be certified as an independent contractor to add it to your services, whether you're a regional organization looking to expand your service offerings, or call the number on the bottom, send us an email. The information's there on the screen. Let's have a conversation. Take a look. See if this thing makes sense for you. See if it fits for you, because it really can bring about a significant improvement to that dead air space in terms of not only making it a better insulation job, but also helping to make it a healthier insulation job. Okay, thank you for watching, and look forward to talking to you real soon. Take care.